Hi, my name is Alex Escrivá and I'm the co-founder of BNS All-in-One, a brand from BNS Worldwide. We believe BNS All-in-One is the best marketing automation and communication tool in the market, and we are here to show you why. In this short video, we will introduce you to the main features that BNS All-in-One has to offer you, so you can see how easy you can set up your campaigns, track your leads, and nurture your existing and future clients. Interesting features, right? But now we want to show you a very special feature we have called Customer Journey. With this feature, you will be able to quickly check all the journey one specific prospect has made inside your campaign. Know if he opened that email, downloaded your resource, or visited your sales page at a glance. I love this feature, and I'm sure you'll love it too. Have a look. What did I tell you? Isn't it a great and powerful tool? So now comes what we want to offer you. When you register inside BNS All-in-One, you can enjoy a 14-day trial free of charge. But now, from a really short period of time, we are offering the first ones who register inside the platform a free account after the 14-day trial forever. Yes, free account forever. No money asked, no credit cards asked. And what's more, we are giving for free this marketing automation crash course too. If you need to learn some, it's a great tool. If you are already an expert, feel free to share it with friends or family. We will send you a welcome email once you register with video tutorials and a demo where I personally built a campaign in less than 30 minutes, so you'll see how easy it is to start rocking. So go on, register now inside BNS All-in-One and start saving time and money while increasing your customer list and your revenue. See you in the other side.